y'all. Just got out of church, and we had an awesome time at church. This is Miss Bree's daughter, y'all. Hey, good to see y'all. Hope y'all having a blessed day. But I'm just gonna do a little quick video of me putting some fish in some hot grease, y'all. Y'all ready to see it? I'm gonna show y'all this. Okay, y'all, we gonna drop it in this grease. Here we go. You ready? There we go. Look at that, y'all. Don't that look good? It looks good already. We're gonna put some more. All right, y'all. Here go fish number 2. Whoop, 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 whoop. This fish gonna be good, hot, and golden brown. Y'all know I love to cook. I got it from my mama, y'all. I love to cook. Y'all, I'm telling you, I used to could not cook. No, not at all. One of my daughters said, went and told my mama, Annie, your spaghetti better than my mama. Y'all so embarrassed. I said I had to keep on trying. Well, hey, I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a few, okay? All right, y'all, this is my daughter, Maddie. Say hey, Maddie. Here you go, Bishop. Say hi, Bishop. Bishop, you gonna say hi? You gonna say hi to the people? Miss Brenda Dee's grandbaby. Every Sunday is good Sunday. All right. That's yours, Dad. I bought my dad that Gatorade, y'all. He asking about it. One problem was that I forgot to put it in the refrigerator. Oh, y'all, hold on one second. This is my oldest daughter. Say hey to her son. Y'all know her. She the one had Christarian open up some things she bought from Walmart for him. And this is my other daughter, MsBrendaDee. I just wanted to let y'all see my boys, see how big they got now. He got tall. He taller than me. Look at this, y'all. Come on, Chad. He look like that tall. Okay. Christian, come here. This is my other son, y'all. He taller. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They can see y'all hear MsBrendaDee. MsBrendaDee. Come here, boy. That's how I talk to him. Look how tall he is now. Look how tall my other son is. Oh, he's so handsome, y'all. That's my baby. He's my oldest son. Look at that difference. Come here, boy. Look at that difference in the height. He love his mom. Y'all, we just messing with you. Fine fish. Yeah. He's gone. Y'all ain't got my hands?
How y'all doing today? It's a beautiful day.
All right, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and this is the final results of my other red beans and rice, y'all, and our fresh fried fish. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Don't that look so good?
What is that? Oh, there you go.
Look at that, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Just a little something to put for our little, we want to share our little Sunday with y'all. So, y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. We love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting my mom, MsBrendaDee. We really, really appreciate y'all, and we really, really love y'all. So, y'all stay blessed. Bye-bye. For now.
Always welcome to MsBrendaDee's place. You're always welcome to MsBrendaDee.